Okay folks, this is Aquaphalt 6.0. It comes in various grades. I think it's 4, 5, and 6. Could be mistaken. It says you have to have at least 1 inch depth. I'm using it differently. There were just some persistent cracks that were opening up. I actually did put 1 inch down, but then you have to have something heavy like a sledgehammer and really pound it. You put it down first, lay it out, soak it with water, really soak it, and then you pound on it, and it cures literally like within 15 minutes. The stuff is getting hard. It hardens overnight. You can read about the reviews on it, but whoops, I missed a part. You want to get it really hard. The hardest part is opening up the frickin' can. Once you open a can, it gets exposed to humidity and air, and it starts to harden. The website says it lasts a few days, if at most, so there's no saving it once you open the can. An unopened can, if you don't freeze it, is supposed to last for a year. It's actually kind of tough when you first open it. And I keep seeing spots that I have to hit again. So you might be thinking, well, it doesn't look so hot, but here's what I do. This is a Henry driveway filler and sealer. And this is all Henry driveway filler and sealer. And it looks pretty good, I'd say. What I did was, I can find it. I put the sealer over the Aquaphalt. I should have actually pounded this down more. Next time you learn as you go. But it's a rubberized sealer. Once you put that on it, it pretty much keeps it intact. This driveway was a mess. The tarps. The neighbor next door has a sprinkler system, which I forgot about. Here's some Aquaphalt. And I had put the driveway sealer down, and their sprinkler came off at 5 a.m. and ruined the job. This is the Aquaphalt from 2 days ago. It is solid as a rock. This was going to be a $24,000 tear-off and replace driveway deal. I said no. So if this gives me a few more years, if I have to seal it repeatedly, that's okay. So here's what I'm filling in with this Aquaphalt. It's just persistent cracks opening up. So I'm just going to pound it in, then I'm going to cover it with the Henry driveway sealer. You can put the Henry driveway sealer over the Aquaphalt pretty much within a couple of hours. With the Henry sealer, you have to be careful so it doesn't get rain. It takes, on a hot sunny day, you can have it pretty well. We can almost walk on it in 6 hours. I'm talking about the Henry driveway. You can't drive on it, but that cures pretty quickly. There are other brands out there. Let's see if I have a can. Here's the Henry. Oh yeah, this one did not work out so good. This Drive Max 1000, even with a really thin layer, it takes forever to dry, and it's very, very thin. It's like water. So I thought I was getting the top brand of the Blackjack Drive Max. This Henry's much better stuff. It's like rubberized. So if you want to try and save your driveway, you can see it's a pretty thick, heavy layer. Some people say all you're doing is painting your driveway. I disagree. It definitely fills in the cracks, which is a good thing. Aside from that, it's a lot of work. So be prepared to have some throwaway clothes.